All right, so for CanFigureIt Geometry, what we're going to do, I'm going to have you register and log in. So when you click on sign up for free, don't have an account, you're going to click on student, type in your class code and fill out your information. And then it will take you to the login screen. You're going to log in with your Google account, PGCPS, and then it will set you up to log in. Once you log in, the assignment says for you to do the midpoint one and corresponding angles. We'll do those two together, and then you'll do any other one that you choose. You could do another corresponding angles. You could do alternate interior, angles and linear pairs, perpendicular lines. It does not matter, right? And so the first one we're going to do is I'm going to walk you through the midpoint one, right? So this will be a two-step proof for this system. We're going to use this to teach proofs, to work on proofs, to understand proofs, right? And so at any given point, you get stuck, you don't know what to do, you click on stuck, and it'll literally walk you through the next steps. At any given moment, if you're confused about what to do and how to do this, just hit me up, let me know, and I'll create a video for you if we're not in class, right? So right now, the only information you have is C is the midpoint of AB. That's the given. And so we want to click on add new claim. So right here, right now, we want to say that this line, part of the line segment is equal to this one because we know we have a midpoint in the middle of this line and it breaks the line up into two pieces. So we're going to click on line and we want to show and say that these congruent segments are actually congruent. So we want to say that AC is congruent to CB. And notice as you type in your part, it's actually going to light up the part that you're claiming. We're going to hit claim. We're going to hit confirm. Now it's giving us, hey, what's the reason why you're saying this, right? So what's the theorem we want to use? A midpoint divides a line into two congruent parts. Click on that. Now we have to say our given, right? What's the reason why we're saying that this midpoint divides in two parts? So we've already been given C is the midpoint of AB. So we type that in, hit submit, and then we're pretty much done with our proof. If you want to see your proof, you'll go back to your proof, click on Y, and then you'll see your two-step proof. All right. All right. Now on to corresponding angles. All right. So corresponding angles, again, another two-step proof. We're going to go into this and kind of prove it. So they give us that these two angles are congruent, and we have to prove that these two lines are parallel, right? If we click on stuck, it's just going to tell us, hey, prove that AB is parallel to CD. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to click on add new claim, click on line. Then we're going to click on the tag that says parallel segments, right? So for these parallel lines here, if you hover over the thing, it'll tell you exactly what it is, right? So right here, right now, we're going to click on parallel segments. And then we're going to say which lines we're saying are parallel. So we're going to say CD and AB. And I'm going to change that to CD, not DC, because in our justified claim, they're saying it's CD. So here I'm going to click confirm. What's the reason why? Well, the reason why is because the two lines are cut by a transversal and the corresponding angles are congruent. That means the lines are parallel. So we're going to click on that. And now we want to say which angles we're saying are congruent. Again, it's already been justified. It's been given to us. So EGD and GHA. And our line, our transversal line will be EF. Click submit. Now we're done with our proof. Now, if I want to select another proof, because I'm saying that you have to do two proofs, midpoint, corresponding angles, and you could choose any other one. It really doesn't matter. It's up to you. I hope this helps.